Orphans. An orphan is a child without parents. There are two important orphans in the story of Great Expectations, Pip and Estella. Pip lives with his sister and Joe Gargery. Estella lives with Miss Havisham. Who has the better life? Pip, with his life on the marshes, and Joe, who loves him? Or Estella, with Miss Havisham's jewels and money? It is very hard to be an orphan in the 19th century. If you are rich, maybe there are rich relations who look after you. But if you are poor, no one helps you. There are a lot of orphans in the stories of Dickens. Oliver Twist is the most famous one. He must live in the workhouse. That is a place for poor people who have no money and no job. The local government gives them a place to live and food, but they must work and follow the rules. The food is bad, and the work is hard. People in the times of Dickens are afraid of the workhouse. Some orphans live in special places called orphanages. Some of these orphanages are very bad. Dickens writes about another orphan in his book David Copperfield. And another writer, Charlotte Bronte, writes about Jane Eyre, a girl orphan. Why are there a lot of orphans in Victorian times? Sometimes life is dangerous, especially for poor people. It is easy to die in an accident, in a factory, or on a farm. Doctors and hospitals are not very advanced. Parents often die young from diseases. It is dangerous for women to have children. Women often die in childbirth. We are lucky. We live in the 21st century, and healthcare is much better. We understand diseases better and how to avoid them. People do not live as long in Victorian times.